Hi guys, I have a pair of Oxfords. I'm going to draw here. They're black, they're not patent leather, but they're very shiny. They lace up Oxfords with perforation and I guess we call them wingtips. Right, they're on the female foot, I'm pretty certain, but it's a men's shoe. So here goes. I have paper and pencil. I'm going to start with legs. One leg goes that way, the other leg goes that way. Then the sole of the shoe is bending this way, and then this business is approximately over there. So this is what I have so far. So this, I'm going to roughly outline this way. So here there's a triangle. It's like a spring. It's like a spring that goes this way in step. Our foot is an arch, right? So we are running around on arches, and this is where this arch is positioned. So the toes are lined up from here to here, and here's the big toe, and here there will be a small toe, little toe, and the ankle points this way, and the outside ankle bone is lower than inside ankle bone. There's this angle on the foot, and general shape is something like this. It's not quite like a symmetrical shape, right? Make note of that. Now, let's start with this one. So shoe begins at this break between the foot and the heel. This is the heel. This is the instep. This is where heel rests. And you could sketch in lightly the heel. Then it turns back over this way. And remember what I told you, it has to, like, from this surface, the toe is picked up. So it's not a straight line. It goes in for the instep and then back out for the toes, back up off the ground. So it's, I'm gonna draw like elliptical shape, and then I'm gonna modify it. And there is a thickness of the sole in this particular case. It's pretty thick there. So I could draw it. And it continues, because the sole is one sole for the whole shoe. And you could draw it, and then extra piece, couple of pieces of leather go and comprise the heel proper, in addition to the sole, so something like that, right? And then I'm gonna approximate where it ends here, and there is a curve. There, and then it wraps around this way, and so there is closure. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes. 1, 2, 4, 5 holes. After which there are all those parts of the shoe that I don't know by heart. I should, but you could still draw them. So this goes approximately that way. This is styling of the Oxford shoes. Right, and there's a thing that goes that way. And this goes that way. Because you could finesse this line here. But it's approximately there, right? So let's see this one. The flap in the middle and the closure. Then we have the style lines here. And the style lines here. I don't have that book right here with me, the shoe book, but it has all those details explained. So the laces, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure everything lines up, like that with that. And then you could draw the perforation and the pants and whatever else is necessary. Then you could shade it. This is very complicated. This is more complicated shading because, but to simplify, you could divide it in 3 levels of shading. So let's say you have black, then you have this white bits that shine through, that, and then you could have gray. So this is gray, this is gray, this is gray, this is gray. This triangle here is gray with black details, and you could do a little gray edge there. This is very sharp black. There's a little gray there. There's a little gray highlight right here, and here, and here, and here, and here. And you could follow that to make your life simpler. So this is the left and right foot, right? So there will be shadow here because this is the inside of the foot, approximately there. So you start. Then you could make them pretty and detail them out. But roughly this is the start, the beginning. Okay? All right, thanks.